Hello dear friends. Today we will learn to use the WhatsApp on the PC. For this you just download the BlueStacks from Google. Just writing a BlueStack app clear. After installing you have to sign in with your Google account by writing your email and password. After this you just open this, and here you are seeing a WhatsApp. Just click on this. Google Play Store will open. From where you can install WhatsApp Messenger. Just install. Accept. Now it is downloading WhatsApp on the PC. Successfully installed. Now you have to open, accept and continue. Write your phone number. Execution is 855 7 888 436. Okay. Now anyone can contact with me. WhatsApp 855 7 888 436. Okay. Yes, it is a message.